Hey guys, this is the video series related to the CanvasFX basics. In these videos we will walk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it, and achieve the main goal, creating the overlay you are looking for. In this video we will talk about how to change effect content. All effects come with their own specific settings. Some allow you to change fonts, some control size, and some even allow the curve adjustments. To do this, open any effect and locate the left panel next to the preview. This area contains all effect-specific settings. Adjust them as you like. If something goes wrong, you can reset everything by clicking the reset button located near the export button. That's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information on new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned!